Welcome to our AliExpress walkthrough, where we'll explore the features, benefits, and pitfalls of using this platform for dropshipping. AliExpress is one of the most popular options for dropshippers thanks to its wide variety of products, low pricing, and the ease of integrating with e-commerce platforms. We'll begin by navigating the homepage, showing how to search for trending products, and filtering for highly rated suppliers using the platform's built-in tools. Key features include detailed product descriptions, customer reviews, and order volume indicators to evaluate a product's potential for your store. Finding trustworthy suppliers is vital, and we demonstrate how to analyze ratings, transaction history, and response times. You'll also learn to identify reliable shipping methods, like e-packet, ensuring faster delivery for your customers. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. We'll cover the pros and cons of AliExpress, such as the flexibility of no upfront cost for stock, but the challenges of long shipping times. You'll see how to avoid common pitfalls, like counterfeit products, by vetting sellers carefully. Finally, we touch on automation tools that sync with AliExpress, streamline your store management process. If you're ready to start your dropshipping journey or enhance your current setup, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.